Very good evening to honorable person here. Myself Anand. I am working as assistant professor in the Department of Mechatronics Engineering, SNS College of Technology, past for 8 years. So I am handling industrial electronics subject to the third year mechatronics students. So now I am going to discuss about the topic of the failure analysis of three-phase induction motors in industries. So before going to the topic, I will share some video related to our topic. In video, a worker starts the induction motor and it will start running, and after the run it will create the smokes and also trying to get burning. Finally it will start to burn. So this is the one of the video. Just we take this video as a case study. So our topic is failure of three-phase induction motor in industries. So before going to the topic, what is three-phase induction motor? So normally three-phase induction motor comes under this AC motors types. So it has three windings, that is R winding, Y winding and then B winding. So each and every winding has separate external resistance connected with a external star connected rheostat. So and also it has 450 voltage. It is differ from the single phase induction motor, that is AC three phase motor, three phase supply and then 50 hertz. So each and every phase having separate 230 voltage supply. So phase voltage between R and Y is equivalent to 415 voltage, and each phase having the voltage difference between R and neutral and Y and neutral and then B and neutral is equivalent to each other. It is 215 voltage. This is a basic construction of induction three-phase induction motor. So the main reason of the induction motor failure is electrical overload. We are using three-phase supply. If any one of the phase is broken or short circuit, another two acting as a electrical overload. So this is the main cause of failure. And then low resistance. The third point is overheating, and then contaminations, and then vibration. These are the 5 major reasons for failure of three-phase induction motor. So first one is electrical overheating. So as I earlier said, that the overload created by a phase failure. If any one of the phase failed, for example R phase failed, means so remaining Y and B phase act as a overload coil. So this coil creating the overload to the motor, and finally it leads to cause the burn. So this is the first reason for this motor. So previously we are our video represents the same over electrical overload problem in that video, and then low resistance. So for example, low resistance, if we have some of the insulation failure are caused because of low resistance, it will affect the stator of the three-phase induction motor. So this is one of the reason for failure. And then overheating. So continuously the running time of the induction motor crossed more than 2 to 3 days now, it will create overheating. The overheating will cause the damage the stator of the induction motor or change the shape of the rotating but that is rotor. So this will affect the motor operation. So this is one of the reason for overheating failure of. And then contaminations. In industries, some of the industries the motor drive are used in oil contamination areas and also more over dusted areas. It will affect the insulation of the motor. So finally, due to this insulation failure, the motor will creating the short circuit and leads to create a burns or creating the smoke. So this is one of the reason for failure. And then finally the vibration. So basically we are using different type of motors in that. For example, switched reluctance motor and BLDC motors have a special type motors. So in that special type motor it will run only the help of converters. So converters and then as well as sensors. So each and every status having a separate coil winding. During magnetization, demagnetization, it will create some noise. So that noise, continuous noise, creating the vibration during running condition. The vibration, the continuous vibration will cause the motor failure of the induction motor. So these are the major 5 reasons for failure of induction motor. The first one is electrical overheating, overload, and then second one is low resistance, the final one is overheating, and then contamination, and then the last one is vibration. To avoid this failure, we are going to use a proper electrical grounding and earthing, and also we are using proper wiring for the each and every 3-phase single motor. Thank you.